Well, generally, most customers want solar. Some people want it as an environmental point of view, reduce their carbon footprint, but generally a lot of people really want to know how much money they can save on their power bill. I've got solar myself, and every quarter I look forward to it because I get money back. So I'm the person that rings up the energy company and say, can you please pay me the money that you owe me? Like power is not cheap, and obviously during the wet season it's very, very hot. So like down south, people spend money on heating. Up here we use money on cooling. If you look at the return on the value, you're going to make around about $650 a quarter coming off your bill. So if you're a heavy user, well, that's what you don't have to pay. And if you're a small user, then you'll get a benefit back and cash into your bank account in the Territory at the moment. Well, if you have a look at the investment, like if you put money in the bank, you're probably lucky to get 2% return on your money. Whereas if you look at solar, especially if you invest in a good quality product, you've got a long term of 22% at around about 20%, give or take, depending on the way the tariffs are working. But you can look to pay your system off between 4.5 to 5 years, and after that, everything else that comes in is basically free power that you've made from the sun.